Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add the new client to the Invoice Maker and Estimate application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. And then click on Clients, which is the third option, and tap on the plus icon in the upper right corner of the screen. After that, you should be able to see this section where you need to type in the client's name, then its location. You can select it from the map here. You can add the email address, then type in the client's address, and then contact details. So the contact name, the phone number can be selected or typed in, then the cell phone number, fax number, pager, website. Here you can set the shipping address, miscellaneous, and the comment section. If you are done with all these details, tap on the save button at the top to save your client, and here you will be able to find it at this section. If you want to get rid of any of these clients, tap on the delete button and it will be deleted from this section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.